Nice meeting you. I'm Taek Kyun Kim from South Korea. Today, I will talk about how to make a beautiful nose with interesting stories. Today's talk can be nowadays we use hashtag when we talk about some topic. To make it summarize, I will talk about the idea and beautiful nose. To know the history will be overlooked, and usually the patient is from Asia, so Asian. Rhinoplasty means nose surgery, and I'm gonna talk about current trend in Korea as well. So first of all, we have to define what is the beautiful nose. The beauty, the criteria is quite subjective. Like some people like this, some people like that. So it is quite difficult to define one idea or a beautiful nose. As I said, various factors affecting on the criteria such as gender, like male and female, and race, like the Caucasian, Asian, and trend. Even in Korea, the trend is moving, and the cultural things such as like if the nose is short, I mean, it is too short, then money rich, something like that. So many things affect about the idea and beautiful nose criteria. So as I said, left side woman's nose, even the facial shape are different from the male face and the nose. And this is from the article, shows different races having a different idea or beautiful nose. The third one and first one, both are Asians, but third one is from the Chinese people, and the last one is from Japanese patients. So even it's in the same Asian, but the criteria of beautiful nose and beautiful face is different. This shows the American Hollywood perfect stars or Hollywood stars nose in 1930s on the top and left side, and the right side is 2010 Hollywood star. It is looks similar, but still there is some change. So we have to think about the trend. And this is Korean old picture, and in the middle is 1970s movie star, and the right side is 2000 famous movie stars. As you see, they have different facial shape, also different laser shape. And this is combination of 10 famous Korean female actresses in 2006 and 2017. As you see, it's only been 10 years, still a little bit different is shown. So as you see before, female and male different, and races different, and trends different. So if you are thinking about your nose shape, then you have to think about your facial shape, and for the harmony with the face, the nose should be when you really wanna having the nose surgery, then you have to think about that first. So we will briefly take a look at the development of history. The beginning of nose surgery is from the reconstruction, not cosmetic purpose, but after the World War, and because of some trauma and some problem on nose, so people are trying to fix it. From the 1930s or 1940s, some people have, because people had a technique about the nose surgery, so they dedicate on the cosmetic from the reconstruction. So the recent cosmetic rhinoplasty, which is nose surgery, start from the 1980s in Korea. So since that period, the silicone implant for the augmentation rhinoplasty is developed, like getting better, and the species, I mean the number and shape and thickness getting more diverse. As you see here, the beginning of the implant, we use the L shape like this. Can you see the L
Mhm.
shape implant?
Oh,
But nowadays it is changed. So I shape, which is called box shape, is used nowadays. This is before and after surgery that use the silicone implant. And like 30 years ago, we only use silicone implant, and but we didn't use cartilage. But
mm,
nowadays it is changing. So now we use the cartilage for the tip and the silicone implant for the dorsum. This is the analysis for the beautiful face and including the nose. So it also shows difference between the Asians and Caucasians. Sometimes still there is some Asian patient who wanna having the Caucasian nose, but
mm.
in terms of the facial analysis, it's not gonna be harmonious with the between the nose and face. So always think about the facial shape and nose shape at the same time.